Hello students, in this video let us learn about median of group data using less than cumulative frequency graph. So this is less than Ogive graph. Okay. Before starting the video, if you need offline tuitions, details are given in the description. Okay. So let us start with this. We have a question here, class intervals 0 to 10, frequency is 5. Okay, 10 to 20 frequency is 8, 20 to 30 frequency is 12, and so on. Okay, imagine this to be marks and this number of students. So 5 students got 0 to 10 marks, 8 students got 10 to 20 marks, 12 students got 20 to 30 marks, and so on. We need to draw the graph, that is less than Ogive graph, and find the median. In the previous video we have found the median using a formula, isn't it? In this video we'll learn how to find the median using less than Ogive graph. In the next video we'll learn how to find median using more than Ogive graph. Alright, so this class is all about less than Ogive. Alright, so the third column, this third column is not necessary, but my advice is write the third column because there will be no confusion for you. So the third column will be less than, since we are writing less than. Okay, alright. So if I write less than 0 here, that will be a mistake because there are no students who got less than 0 marks. If you consider this as marks, there are no students who got less than 0 marks. So in less than we need to take the upper limit, not the lower limit, right? So in less than take upper limit, that is less than 10, and less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50. I hope this is clear. Now here we should write cumulative frequency. Okay, that is CF. Now how many students got less than 10 marks? Less than 10 marks, 5 students got, right? And how many students got less than 20 marks? Less than 20 marks, it's not 8, it's 8 plus 5. Okay, 8 plus 5, 13. Because less than 20 means we should also count the students who got less than 10, isn't it? So we should also count the students who got less than 10. Because less than 20 means less than 10 will also be considered in less than 20, isn't it? So 8 plus 5 is 13. And less than 30 we need to add 5 plus 8 plus 12. So 5 and 8 we already added here, we got 13. So we can add 12 and 13 also, or we can add 5, 8 and 12 also. Okay, this will give us 25. And less than 40, to this number we should add 10. So it is 35. And less than 50, it is 35 plus 5, it is 40 here. Okay, I hope this is clear. Third column should be less than, and the fourth column should be the cumulative frequency. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just rub this and write CF. Okay, so this is CF. And the last one is not necessary, but my advice is write this. Here we need to plot these points on a graph. So 10, 5, 20, 13, okay, 30, 25, 40, 35, 50, 40. Okay, we need to plot these points on the graph. So I have already drawn the graph to save time, x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis I took 10, 20, 30 because see here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 numbers are there, right? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 I have took. Okay, and on y-axis 5, 13, 25, 40. So I took 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on like that. Okay, I hope this is clear. And the scale on x-axis and y-axis can be different. Like for example here, each box represents 10 units, isn't it? Whereas here, each box represents 5 units. So we can have a different scale on x-axis and y-axis, no issues. So let us plot this 10, 5. So x value is 10, y value is 5. So this point 10 and y is 5. 20 comma 13. So just below 15, right? 20 comma 13. 30 comma 25. 30 comma 25. 40 comma 35. 40 comma 35. And 50 comma 40. 50 comma 40. Okay. So these are the points. Now it's a freehand graph. Do not use scale. Just draw it with freehand. So this is our less than ogive graph. Okay, less than ogive graph. Less than graph will be a rising graph from lower point. Okay, it will go higher. Alright, less than ogive graph will be a rising graph. Now, how should we find the median? Because our aim is to find the median. Okay, we have drawn the less than ogive graph. We need to find the median. Remember, what is median? Median is the middlemost observation, isn't it? Okay, so total how many observations are there? If you add this frequency or the number of students, 40 students are there, right? So total 40 students are there. Okay, so here n is equal to 40. Number of observations n is equal to 40. What will be n by 2? N by 2 will be equal to 20. Okay, so the 20th student marks will be the median marks, isn't it? Alright, so here on y-axis we have this students, isn't it? Okay, see here 5, that 5 is here. Okay, so on y-axis we have 5, 13, 25, 35 and 40. So these are the students, right? So on y-axis we have the students. So 20th student is where? Here. 20th student is here. That means we should find the value of n by 2. In our case it is 20 and we need to mark this 20 on y-axis. Where is 20 on y-axis? Here. From there, okay, we need to draw a straight line, a horizontal line like this. Okay, horizontal line, and after that, okay, wherever this line is touching the graph, stop there. From there you drop a perpendicular. From there you drop a perpendicular, and wherever this line is touching the x-axis, that is our median. So approximately what? It's touching at 26 something, right? So 26 is our median. I wrote approximately there. Okay, I hope this is clear. What did we do here? These two columns were given. We wrote less than because we are drawing a less than ogive graph. If more than is given, we should write more than here, which we will learn in the next video. Less than, and write less than upper limit, less than 10, less than 20, less than 30 and so on, and cumulative frequencies 5, 5 plus 8, 13, and plot these points. Okay, after the graph, how should we draw? How should we find the median? We should find the half of the number of observations. Number of observations are 40. 40 divided by 2 will give us 20, and mark 20 on y-axis. Draw a horizontal line. From there you drop a perpendicular. From where? From the point where this horizontal line is touching the graph. From there, some students will extend this graph here and drop a perpendicular, which is wrong. Some students will stop here and drop a perpendicular, that is also wrong. Okay, I hope you all understood this. And wherever this line is touching x-axis, that is our median. Alright, so this is it. So this is how you need to find median of group data using less than ogive graph. If you need offline tuitions, details are given in the description. Thank you so much for watching the video.